Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 SQL function, which is STDDEV, or you can say STDDEV underscore POP, because both function will perform same operation and return the standard deviation of the given input value. So whenever there is a requirement where you want to calculate the standard deviation for a particular column, then you can utilize this function stddev or stddev underscore pop. First of all, I will show you the table data where we are going to perform this operation, and then later I will show you the SQLRPGLE program where I'm using this function in order to calculate the standard deviation. So this is my table query. Select star from select Sharmit slash table one. Let me correct the library name. Yeah. So for this column, specifically for this column monthly salary, we will calculate the standard deviation. So to use this, I have created one SQLRPGLE program. Here what I am doing, I declared one constant which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros. This constant we will use to verify the output, or you can say verify the query whether it is executed properly or not. Below to this, I have declared one variable result variable which we will use to store the output which we are retrieving from the query. Afterward, we have set the commitment option equals to star none, and this is an optional thing. If you would like to skip it, you can. And here we are using the actual query. So to use the actual query, execute SQL, select stddev monthly salary into result. So what it will do, it will calculate the standard deviation for the monthly salary column and then store the output into the host variable result, and it is coming from table 1. After this query execution, we will check for the SQL state. If SQL state is equal to SQL state underscore valid, then display the result, else display the SQL state with a message query ended with an error. And then we are doing end if INLR on. So let's quickly compile this program. And call it. So you can see it is returning the value as 1035. Why? Because we are not using decimal points. So that's why it is returning 1035. But if I show you over the normal query, means here on strSQL, you will see that it is returning the value. Let me remove this because in program we saw about the STDDEV. So if I hit enter, you can see it is returning 1.03548 something. Okay. So this is all about the stddev. Now second function is stddev underscore pop. Same thing you can perform with this function as well. You can see here it is also printing the same thing. So what we are doing here, we are writing the query select stddev underscore pop for monthly salary as this is my alias name standard deviation from table 1. So if I hit enter, it will print the value accordingly. Okay, so this is how we can utilize the stddev and stddev underscore pop function. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.